The reason for the fall of BlackBerry. In the year 1999, 19th January.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
There was a smartphone name called BlackBerry 850 pager launched, and it was the revolution of the smartphone industry, and in the technology, it became like carrying a BlackBerry was a status symbol in the business world. In the year 1984, Mike Lazaridis and Jim Balsillie were the founders of BlackBerry, and the BlackBerry was founded in RIM, Research in Motion, and they became famous in the early 2000s for securing email messages and its services. And BlackBerry became the top choice of business professionals and celebrities also, and its peak stage of BlackBerry dominated the smartphone market in the early 2000s. BlackBerry struggled a lot to keep up with the rise of touchscreen phones and apps. By 2016, BlackBerry had stopped focusing on phones and shifted into software and its cybersecurity, and it was the end of BlackBerry's dominance in the mobile industry. The story of BlackBerry. Once upon a time, in the mid-1980s, there were two engineers living. Their names were Mike Lazaridis and Jim Balsillie. They had a brilliant idea, which was going to change world technology. The idea was they wanted to change the way the world communicated. So they started a company called Research in Motion, RIM, in Canada, and in the early 2000s the world started to notice what they were up to. In 2002 they launched something that was going to change the world's communication process, and that was BlackBerry. It wasn't just a phone, it was the first device that allowed people to send and receive emails instantly right from their pocket, like within seconds. At that time it was like magic to have your email on your phone. Business people and politicians loved BlackBerry so much, and it wasn't just a phone, it became like a symbol of status in the world. While you were carrying a BlackBerry, you were important, and you always connected with your friends, family members, and the world, like people who were using BlackBerries. BlackBerry is always special for the thing that is its best keyboard. Even people liked and loved BlackBerry because of the keyboard only, like these small buttons you can see on other phones. BlackBerry's keyboard was easy to type on, and it felt like a tiny computer in your pocket, and people could send emails, like respond to messages, and stay on top of work, all from their phones, and BlackBerry dominated the world market, and it was the phone everyone wanted in the world, and at its peak, it had millions of fans around the globe. Lessons to learn from the downfall of BlackBerry. BlackBerry's journey from its iconic rise to its ultimate fall offers valuable lessons for businesses today. Let's break down these lessons from BlackBerry's story that every business leader should take to heart. 1. Innovation and staying ahead of the curve. BlackBerry's early success was largely due to its innovative approach to mobile communication. By allowing people to send and receive emails instantly on a small device, it made mobile business communication convenient, reliable, and secure. In the early 2000s, it was the tool of choice for busy professionals, politicians, and celebrities. However, BlackBerry failed to innovate in response to the rapid rise of touchscreen smartphones and app-driven ecosystems. While Apple's iPhone revolutionized the market with its sleek design, intuitive interface, and rich ecosystem of apps, BlackBerry stuck with its physical keyboard design, which was no longer the top consumer preference. Business lesson: innovation is key to staying relevant. Businesses must constantly adapt to new trends and technologies to meet the evolving needs of customers. The failure to innovate often leads to obsolescence. 2. Adaptability and market awareness. One of the most significant factors in BlackBerry's decline was its inability to recognize and respond to shifts in the market. By the late 2000s, consumers were increasingly drawn to devices with larger screens, intuitive interfaces, and a wide range of applications. Companies like Apple and Google dominated the smartphone space with iOS and Android, offering vast ecosystems that BlackBerry couldn't replicate. While BlackBerry did release a touchscreen model with the BlackBerry Storm, it was too little, too late. The company struggled to develop a competitive operating system and failed to embrace the app ecosystem that was taking over the market. Business lesson: companies must be aware of market trends and adapt quickly. Sticking to old models that worked in the past can be a fatal mistake. Business leaders should continuously assess market changes, customer preferences, and technological advancements. 3. Customer centricity and understanding consumer needs. At its peak, BlackBerry was revered by professionals who valued its secure email services and physical keyboard. However, as consumer demands shifted toward multimedia, social connectivity, and entertainment features, BlackBerry's offerings became less attractive to the general public. The company had become too focused on catering to business professionals and missed the broader consumer market, which was driving the success of competitors. While BlackBerry's email security was a top priority for corporate clients, it didn't resonate as strongly with younger, tech-savvy consumers who were looking for an all-in-one mobile experience. Business lesson: to stay competitive, businesses must remain customer-centric. Understanding evolving consumer preferences and expanding your offerings to meet these needs is essential for long-term success. Companies should not isolate themselves in a niche if they want to scale and grow. 4. Brand perception and market positioning. BlackBerry, in its heyday, positioned itself as a productivity tool for serious business people. However, as the mobile market began to focus on lifestyle and entertainment, BlackBerry's corporate-centric positioning became less relevant. The introduction of the iPhone and its seamless integration with multimedia, apps, and social media shifted the perception of what a smartphone could be. Moreover, BlackBerry's image as a device only for work became limiting, and the brand struggled to evolve beyond that. The perception of being a business-only device created a barrier to attracting the broader consumer market. Business lesson: a brand's positioning should evolve with the market. Businesses must ensure their brand resonates with current consumer desires and attitudes. If a company's brand is perceived as outdated or irrelevant, it will quickly lose market share.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.